Hi everyone. For the deep mask of my daughter's hair, I like to mix conditioner, mask and oil. So I like olive oil reparation conditioner and I mix with a Maizani moisture fusion. Her hair love this moisture treatment. And I also like Mills rosemary mint straightener hair mask, and I mix all of that with castor oil, 1 spoon of castor oil and 1 spoon of olive oil. I hope you will like it and you can try it on your daughter's hair. Our hair love this. Let me know in the comment section what product you like to use on your daughter's hair. It can help someone else and me too. Thank you for watching our video. Now I mix everything and I will apply on the hair. After I shampoo the hair, I will put it, and I like to use my hair steamer cap